know your rights. It's time now for Legal Point. Now your host, Carrie Kasem.
Welcome to Legal Point. Like the man said, I'm Carrie Kasem. Today, I have elder law attorney Dennis Toman. He's the founder of the ElderLaw Firm in Greensboro, North Carolina. Dennis currently serves on board of directors of the North Carolina chapter of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Thank you, Dennis, for being on the show today.
Well, it's wonderful to be here.
We get so many letters talking about this, but it really runs the socioeconomic, it's everywhere.
Right.
Even a little money, no money. Some people just do it out of spite or just are mean. But yeah, you see that definitely. It's the money. And unfortunately, you see a lot of financial elder abuse that goes unprosecuted. People lose their inheritances very simply by just signing a piece of paper, by having somebody who may not even be with it sign a piece of paper, and because a lawyer said, oh, I was there, he seemed competent enough, everything goes. Everything that this man or this woman did in their right mind is out the door. Why do we have irrevocable trust, but we can't do that with a will and estate plans, or at least make them safer?
Well, you bring up a couple of different points, and one is I wouldn't want people to be too afraid of handing over decision-making abilities to someone who is completely trustworthy. Certainly most of the families that I work with are never going to have problems with among the children or between the spouses, and so in those situations, not having a good power of attorney in place could be a real problem later on.
Sure.
And so that is something in particular, to be concerned about. The other is that, there is a new procedure for people who sign a will, at least, to actually have that probated. At least that's the case in North Carolina. So it can be probated during the person's lifetime. So someone who signs a will that is apparently going to, or very likely to be contested if the person dies, can in fact be proven in the courts during the person's lifetime that that's what they wanted. And so there are movements in that direction to make sure that a person's wishes are being carried out.
I like that. And so it's basically for people who know there's going to be trouble.
Exactly.
Somebody's going to do something and contest this, or somebody's going to do something to mess this all up. That's very interesting. Yeah, I have not heard that before, so I don't know if that law is in California.
It's a law that just passed this year in North Carolina.
That's a great law. Maybe something I should fight for if it's not, all over the country. But since it's probate, you have to go state by state. I've learned that one. You can't make it a federal law.